Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome back to my channel where I make a lot of cake and cookie decorating tutorials as well as give a lot of baking business tips. And today we are going back to a trendy classic, I want to call it. So we're using different tips, and of course we're using white, green, and red icing today because those are the Christmas colors. And we are just using our imagination to really fill in this entire cupcake. When it comes to creating a cupcake like this, what I love is that you can use all these different tips and make all your cupcakes look different. Not all of them have to look uniform, so everybody gets a little something different. The key here is really just to make sure that you have a good texture of buttercream. I'm actually using faux Swiss meringue buttercream in today's tutorial, but you can also use American for this. It works very, very well with any texture. Just make sure that your buttercream is nice and smooth and that you whip that buttercream for a good amount of time. I'm also going to be adding on a snowflake, but you can skip this part. I just wanted to put a little bit more of a Christmas element on there. So I'm using a little bit of fondant. You can also do this with chocolate. If you've seen my other tutorials, you know that I have been loving using this mold. I know this was a short little one today, but I have a lot longer videos coming up for those last few days leading up to Christmas, so be sure to watch out for those. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading every single day for the duration of Vlogmas, so be sure to come back tomorrow to see what other cupcake I decorate. Bye!